Hey everyone, welcome back to Pure Balance. Today, let's talk about something we all face, stress. Not the little bursts that help you focus or meet a deadline. I'm talking about chronic stress, the kind that sticks around for weeks or months, quietly wearing you down. You see, our stress response is actually a survival tool. When you face a threat, your brain flips a switch, your heart rate goes up, your muscles tense, and hormones like cortisol and adrenaline kick in to help you fight or run. That's called the fight or flight response, and it's great when you need it. But when life feels like a constant emergency, work pressure, money worries, social stress, that switch never really turns off. And that's when chronic stress starts doing damage. Inside your body, high levels of cortisol over time act like slow poison. They can raise your blood pressure, weaken your immune system, mess with your digestion, and even make it harder to control your weight. Ever felt your stomach tighten when you're anxious? That's not in your head. Stress directly affects your gut and your microbiome. And in your brain, chronic stress reshapes the way you think and feel. It shrinks the hippocampus, the part that helps with memory and learning, and it overactivates the amygdala, your fear center. That's why, when you're under constant stress, you might feel more anxious, more reactive, or just mentally drained. Over time, this constant pressure, what scientists call allostatic load, builds up like rust on your system. It can lead to depression, burnout, sleep problems, even heart disease. But here's the good news, you can reverse the effects. Simple lifestyle changes really make a difference. Practice mindfulness or deep breathing for just a few minutes a day. Move your body, it helps clear stress hormones. Get consistent, quality sleep. Eat real, nourishing foods. And most importantly, stay connected. Talking to friends, family, or a therapist helps your nervous system relax and recover. Stress isn't always the enemy. It's your body's way of trying to protect you. The key is to listen before it shouts and to give your mind and body the space to find calm again. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, balance isn't about eliminating stress, it's about learning to dance with it.